What's going on, everybody? It's a blessing to be here. I'm gonna be talking about AUD USD, the trade I took. You can catch how to catch about 60 pips a day and how to scale in positions, right? So I'll be talking about these two major things. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're gonna keep things real simple. I'm gonna go over three things. Basically, number one will be catching 60 pips a day, right? And number two will be how to scale in positions. First thing I'm on the daily time frame. See, daily time frame. So what did I do? First thing I did was draw my resistance, right? Why did I draw my resistance? Why did I draw my resistance here? Is because this was a high point that was touched by these two candles and these three candles, and it was rejected, right? So the price was trying to go above this position right here, but it couldn't come up here, so it kept rejecting it and it kept going down. And why was it a smart choice for me to pick this position as my support? Was because of this same thing as above. Price has been rejected, right? I'm not picking here because this is like a strong wick down, but these wicks are like right here, stopping the momentum of the price from going down. So this will be my support. When we go in the lower time frames, we'll adjust it. So keep things like that, right? So from then I went into the hour time frame and I was looking at this. So number one thing will be to look at what are we doing, right? Are we buying or are we selling? So my number one thing will be, what trend is this? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? And as you can see right here, even from all the way down here since November, it's been in an uptrend, right? And it's still in an uptrend. It's just a little consolidation period going on right here. So we have identified what trend it is. So number one will be it's an uptrend. Number two will be support and resistance, right? We're gonna draw those down. But right here, support was retested but was rejected, which confirms the number one thing, the number one confirmation, which was an uptrend. It didn't pass below support, which means it's still continuing the uptrend momentum, right? So if we do this right here, replay bar, and why I got in this position right here, you can do it like this and look. Let's go to the 1 hour, right? You see, support was touched again. So just like I told y'all, we can adjust it right here. This is support. Support was touched again, right? But what did it do? As soon as it touched the support, you already saw it come up. I tried to test the support again, but the wick failed. So what did it do? Let's just take a look. See, strong wick up, still moving up. Kept going up straight, right? So once it hit the top point, let me keep playing it. Boom. You see how it hit this point right here? Once it hit the top point, what I did was looked at it for a little bit. Okay, I see that's coming down. We'll go down to a 30-minute time frame. Hey, that looks like the top, right? The rejection was here, so we'll drag it like this. But this candle did not. The green candle right here, let me zoom into it for you guys. This green candle was not, this green candle was not the push that changed this small consolidation period to stop this small consolidation period and move it up. So no, this was not it. So what do we start with? This red candle right here. After this red candle, it was all a push up forward, right? Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so we dragged it from this candle to all the way up here, and I just waited for it to hit my 70%. And what did it do? Wait for it. You see, we're still not activated in this trade yet, but look, still not activated. Boom. Now we're in this trade, all right? If you set a buy limit, you're automatically in this trade because it hits 70%. So we'll just keep taking a look how it's moving. It hit the 70, little small drawdown. It's not even a drawdown. I don't even call it a drawdown, but look, see what's going on. Boom. Hold on, hold on. What was that? What was that, right? The strong wick up right here. Boom. First take profit was hit. 1-to-1 ratio, right? Let's bring it down here. Show you guys real quick. See this? But also the reason I entered on this trade was because it came down, right? If you don't have a buy limit, you can see it came down. Go to small time frame, like 5 minutes. It came down, and what did it do? It came down here. The strong engulfing candle. Engulf this candle right here. This is for my visual learners. It engulfed this green candle right here. Engulfed this candle, one candle, and the second candle right here, right? So that was a sign for me to get in this trade. So if you didn't have a buy limit set right here because of the 70%, you wanted to see how it was gonna go down, you would have probably, after the strong bullish engulfing candle, you would have got in, went up, a strong slight profit right here, came back down, tested, but hey, we're on the hour time frame, and boom. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, right? These 14 pips stop loss with a 15 pip take profit. But hey, we're not done. Once it hits a 1-to-1, we don't even have take profit set. So once it hits a 1-to-1, we move it up, right? But look, why did I choose 60 pips, right? Why am I calling this video 60 pips a day? Because we're getting more than 60 pips a day. But we just call it 60 pips. What was I targeting, right? I was targeting right here. I'll call this 60 pips a day, but it was actually like 80. But anyways, we'll see. I was targeting right here, and if you guys say why, look at this. Why would I be targeting right here? It's a good question. Right here, I was targeting here because of these right here. The rejections. You see the rejections? Strong support. I was at least expecting price to come up to the support right here and test it. And what did it do? Well, let's go back to the 1 hour so we can see it precisely what the movement was. Okay, you see, it's going up, right? Let's just hit 60 pips and I'll show you guys how to scale in positions. Look, boom, boom. You can see it, the candle is even giving you instructions to scale it in. It's like asking and begging you to scale in, get more money, get more money. I don't know how else to explain it, honestly. It's just simple as that. Boom. You see that? Past 60 pips, around 70 pips. You don't even know what the outcome was like recently going on because we're still here on January 20th, which was yesterday. Now let me tell you guys how to scale in positions, right? You see these right here, right? What do? The same thing we did before to put in our first position. We do it again and again and again with the movement, right? With a push. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. You see this? Start from here. That's not the break of market structure. This candle broke this market structure right here. So 70 was not hit, but 61.8 was hit. Boom. If you had your buy limit there, or if you were taking a look at this play out while it was happening, you'd have got in. Another thing will be right here, a perfect entry, just like the first one, right? 70% smashed. We can even move this way. You wanted to get into another one, boom, 70%. Could put another buy limit right here. And how many pips is stop loss is this? 7.3. You're telling me you wouldn't want to risk $7.30, or if you put a standard lot, you wouldn't want to risk 73 to get 204? Get out of here, man. Get out of here. I don't know what you're talking about. But anyways, that's how to scale in positions. You can do it again. See? Wait for it. We'll see how this plays out. Hold on, let me play this. I don't know how else to tell you. You see? Another perfect thing. Another perfect one right here. 12.5 stop loss with at least a 20 pip take profit. Come on now. Come on now. Just look at this pure profits, right? Come on, play. 70 was activated, and boom. What did it do? First take profit was already hit, and boom, you already got in. So this 60 pips at the end of the day turn to what? If we exit this out, what did it turn to? The 60 pips at the end of the day, if you're targeting the high highs, could turn to, hey, 82 pips. Boom. And it came down again. Let's see if we can get another entry from what's going on. See right here? So it's like a strong kind of support. You take these away. This one right here. Use the Fibonacci tool. Maybe even like this right here. Just a quick example. Another position can happen right here. You see this? A strong rejection to the downside. How many stop loss? How many pips is this? 13.9 pips stop loss. And look at this. You would have already been up right here. So you got in right here as soon as it hit 70, or if you're looking at it like 30-minute. See how it came all the way down here to the support, testing it. You place a position here. Look at this. It don't always have to be 70. Just keep your eyes on it. You would have already been up right here. Standard lot, $69 already up. Keep it simple, guys. So we'll go over 3 things. I already talked about 3 confirmations. Number 1, what trend is it? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Number 2, if it's an uptrend, support was retested and was it rejected, right? If it's a downtrend, was the resistance retested and rejected? And number 3 will be the candlestick patterns. Keep things simple, and there's no reason to overcomplicate trading, guys. And that's it. Great trade for the day. 60 pips a day, catching it every day. That's a lot. You don't even have to catch it every day. But take care, y'all. Peace out.